Hello, Noobs. So, we have started a new podcast for auditory listeners and it will be available on every major platforms. Please kindly hit the follow button and subscribe our YouTube channel for the daily updates. 7 home remedies for cyst. Do they work? A precautionary note before discussing home remedies, it is important to go over a few important details. You should never try to remove or pop a cyst at home. This increases the chances of infection. Popping also does not guarantee a cyst will go away permanently. None of the remedies in this article are known or proven to remove cysts completely. However, science suggests they may help in indirect ways. Even if they are not yet proven to work, trying these remedies poses few risks if used correctly. Remember, if your cyst is not causing you problem, you don't necessarily always need to remove it. If it bothers you aesthetically, get infected, causes pain or grows rapidly in size, then talk with your doctor. The first one is hot compress. Simple heat is the most recommended and effective home measure for draining or shrinking cyst. Here's how it works. Heat may reduce the thickness of liquid in the cyst. In the case of liquid-filled epidermoid cyst, this may help fluid drain quicker into the lymphatic system. This system helps maintain fluid balance in the body and plays a role in protection against infection. To use, heat clean water to warm or hot temperature, not boiling. Wait for the water to cool to tolerable but hot temperature for the skin contact. Dampen a clean cloth with the water and apply to the cyst for 20 to 30 minutes. Repeat a few times each day. The second one is tea tree oil. Essential oil from the tea tree, that is Melaleuca alternifolia, may help some cysts, albeit in an indirect way. Research shows tea tree oil has antimicrobial activity. This means it kills bacteria, viruses, fungi and other pathogens. To use, dilute tea tree essential oil in clean, warm or hot water. Dilution ratio is 2 to 3 drops per 1 ounce of water. Apply the mixture directly to the cyst several times per day with a clean cloth. You can also combine tea tree oil applications with the above hot water compress remedy. Simply add essential oil to the hot water in the proper dilution ratio. Avoid applying undiluted tea tree essential oil directly to the cyst or skin. This may cause discomfort, irritation or burns. Always dilute this oil before topical use. Find tea tree essential oil online here. Third one is apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is another recommended natural remedy. It may help with cysts to a limited extent. There are no studies showing apple cider vinegar reduces cysts or removes them. To use, mix equal parts water with apple cider vinegar. Apply this dilution directly to the cyst several times per day. You can combine apple cider vinegar application with the hot water compresses home remedy. Simply add the apple cider vinegar to the hot water in the proper dilution ratio. Never apply undiluted apple cider vinegar directly to the skin. Acetic acids may cause discomfort, irritation or burns. Fourth one is aloe vera. Research shows that aloe vera has confirmed anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. Both may help with pain and irritation in the cyst. Aloe vera may also help to reduce appearance or get rid of certain cysts caused by bacteria or other pathogens. To use, following label directions, apply a pure aloe vera gel, cream or lotion directly to an irritated or painful cyst as often as needed. Only source aloe products from reputable and trustworthy companies. The fifth one is castor oil. Oil from the castor plant or Ricinus communis may help cyst in the same vein as apple cider vinegar or tea tree. To use, make sure to source a 100% pure castor oil product. Only purchase products from trustworthy companies with a good reputation. Put 1 drop of castor oil on your finger and apply to the cyst. Apply more if needed, as often as needed. A few times each day is recommended. Avoid ingesting castor oil, which is toxic when consumed internally. Witch hazel. Witch hazel is a common topical wash for acne. Research trusted source indicates it may help acne due to astringent and anti-inflammatory properties. To use, dab a cotton ball with witch hazel, apply to the cyst area, repeat a few times per day or as often as you would like. People with sensitive skin may have reactions to witch hazel, but this can be avoided by diluting witch hazel with water. The seventh one is honey. Some recommended honey for the management of cyst, though research is on this case. A reviewed trusted source of recent study indicate it has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory effects. However, to use, one method is to create a poultice by mixing honey, preferably raw and all natural, with other antimicrobial herbs and ingredients. You then apply the mixture to the cyst and leave it on overnight. Alternatively, try this simple technique. Put a dab of pure honey on the cyst site. Leave the honey on the cyst for a few hours, as a longer amount of time may help it to be more effective. Wash the honey away and apply more as often as you would like. If you felt any discomfort, just stop this method. Leave your comment. Thank you all. Have a nice day.